We're Kevin and Stacy. We love adventures of all kinds. We love to camp, cruise, fly, take trains. We love it all. We sold everything and moved into our Class C motorhome we call the Cottage. It's not always easy living in a small space with 2 adults and a dog, but we're getting used to it. It's actually amazing how much stuff you find that you don't actually need. Anyway, that's a whole other video that we've never done. What we are about to share with you is a new adventure that we are embarking on. We are looking for property for a family homestead or compound, whatever you want to call it. So join us for this epic adventure. So we have found our perfect property, and we are in the process of getting that property so that we can have our very own family compound.
Yeah, family compound, family commune, family property, family, all of it.
So the pros to our perfect property that we have found is number 1, the acreage. We have enough acreage that we can split it up with our 2 daughters and their husbands and have a family compound.
Yeah, we're looking forward to that for sure. Another thing is the remote location. We really wanted something that was off the beaten path, something that was quiet, relaxing. You know, you work hard at work all day, and we really just want to get away from any hustle and bustle when we get home.
The other thing that we found is that this has some potential for some great views. Some of the property that we looked at was super noisy. You could hear road noise. And I never really understood what sound, what is that called?
Noise pollution.
What noise pollution was, but this property is super quiet.
Yeah, it's very quiet. So the neighborhood out here is very nice. It's very sparsely populated. There are no HOA restrictions or covenants.
In addition to that, this property is close to state parks, to fishing, to all of the hiking and things like that that we love to do in nature.
So one of the cons about this property is we're 35 minutes from a Walmart.
True, and another thing is that it is on a private road, which I was absolutely against doing anything that was not county maintained. But after talking to the neighbors, it seems that this is a pretty quiet road. There are some short-term rentals around, so they all want to keep this road nice, and they all chip in a little bit every couple years just to keep it maintained. It's just like a nice long driveway.
So one of the cons of this property is there's not a direct mountain view with a lot that's already cleared for your home. And we really do believe that once we clear some of the trees for the different home sites that we will have good mountain views. However, you know, you can't guarantee that till you get in there and do it.
The one other con with this property was that it's not quite as flat as we had hoped when we were looking at property, but remember, the number 1 thing on our list is budget, so we had to go with things that we could afford as well.
Yeah. And we could have went with flatter property, but then you're in an area that you have no mountain views. So it's kind of a trade-off with that as well.
We've learned that there's a give and take, but there are essential things that you must find out before purchasing the property so that you can make sure that when you do purchase that perfect property, that the give and take is what you have decided you want to give and take on. As we begin this new adventure, we've learned some important lessons already. It's really easy to get caught up in the pursuit of perfection, overlooking the hidden gems right in front of us. But when we open our hearts and minds to see beyond imperfections, we uncover the true beauty that lies within. We are so excited to embark on this next chapter, building our family compound on this very property. It will be a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and the willingness to embrace the imperfectly perfect. Through the ups and downs, I'm certain we will watch our dreams unfold and take shape as we continue to learn to be free. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and here's to embracing the beauty in everything around us. Hang on for the ride, and of course, be free.